My name is John David with West County EMS and Fire. Today we're going to do some respectful entry and through the lock techniques. This door is going to be a Mortise Lock with a flip latch. We're going to go ahead and use our JV tool. The idea behind this tool is it's got a handle that spins the V tipped over here, and on the inside of this is a metal cord that allows it to rotate. So when we go through the door, we got to make sure that it's gapped enough to where it doesn't pinch this. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to grab a tool to gap the door, and then we're going to grab our wedge, and we're going to wedge high enough to where when we actuate it, it's not in the way. So then we wiggle the tool in. On the inside, the red piece goes over the thumb turn latch. The hard part about these is you have to be kind of finesse with them. And our door's unlocked.